This is Lawrence. I'm doing a video over Terraform. Particularly, I'm doing Terraform modules, and I'm going to show you how to use the import command in a cool way. So let's go and get started. I'm create. So give more background. Modules are collection of folders under one single directory. So I'm create two folders, one primary, one subfolder, and both folders will have a file in it. So let me go ahead and create the folder. Call it example 3 or 4, I should say. And on the example 4, I'm going to call that a file main.tf. On the example 4, create a new folder called new, and create a file under it called test.tf. We'll be creating an EC2 instance. So I'm going to create the information for the EC2 now. I'm going to paste that in, give it a name. All right, give my initials. Let's see. I'm going to create the variable. All right. Name that variable new EC2. Type will be a string. Yep, I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to the main.tf. I'm going to put the provider information in, which is AWS. I'm going to do that in region US East 1. And now I'm going to create my module. The module will be pulling information from the new folder. So module, sorry, what I want to call that. Yeah, we call it EC2, no problem. Source is new, EC2. Let me call that test 1. Now, if you notice, let's see, you look at the test file, got new EC2 right there and new EC2 here. So they pull the information over. So now, let me go and get to the directory. Go cd to example 4. I'm going to initialize the folder. That's how I type in Terraform init. And once the initialization is done, we're going to type in Terraform apply. And it's perhaps like 30 seconds to a minute, maybe something like that. Never really timed it, but it takes a little bit for it to get going. All right, we'll type yes. And you always have to type yes. You cannot type Y right here, so it will not go through. So type yes. And it's creating our instance. All right, we're gonna go here, and we see our EC2 instance has been created. So to get rid of it, we're gonna do a command called Terraform destroy. Type yes again. You can always validate the ID that you see right there. So you come back here and validate the ID. Still destroying. Go over and do a refresh and see if it's gone. But we still want to make sure it is gone, but we want to make sure Terraform is completed on this end. All right, let's see. All right, good deal. So now I'm going to do the import command. So basically what the import command is a way for, so say for instance, I'm going to create a VPC in Terraform. Then I'm going to create a VPC um, within AWS console. But I'm gonna use the import command. I'm gonna get the ID information from the VPC that I created in the console, so I can use the import command so that Terraform can take over that VPC uh, in its own infrastructure. So here we go. I'm going to create a new folder. Call this import 3. All right. I'm going to create a file, call it main.tf, and going to the provider, AWS, on the region. Okay. And be US East 1. Create another resource, call it AWS underscore VPC. And I can give it a name of VPC underscore 1. Side of block, pin, oh, pin. Oh, gotta put my num block back on. All right, get you out of there. 10.0.0.0/16. And let me get my double quotes around it. Save it. And let me go into that new folder, which is called, what's that? Import 3. Oh, what was that? Make sure I got the right one. Yep. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Do another Terraform in it. All right, I'm gonna hit the up arrow a few times and do Terraform apply. Again, sorry, there we go. Yes. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is copy this information and create a whole another VPC, but I will not execute it from Terraform. I'm gonna build it in the AWS console. I'll call this VPC2. Save this. Now I'm going to go to the to AWS console. Go to under VPC. And we're going to verify the VPC is there. All right. See that one there. So I'm going to create another VPC. I'm going to call this VPC underscore 2. Give the same IP address. 192. Save it. So the information what I need to get is this information, the VPC ID. So I got that. I got this saved. So now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to do a Terraform import. And that's AWS underscore VPC dot VPC underscore 2. And now I need to paste in the VPC ID information. Hit enter. All right. So now it's taken over. So now what we can do to validate that is to destroy it. So we said I can see the import successful. So I'm doing Terraform destroy. Again, basically with that command, what I did just to validate again. That's the 10.10.16 and the 192. So Terraform has control over both. So now I'm going to type in yes to destroy it. And we can go back to the AWS console just to validate that they are not there. Refresh. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have a great day. Thank you.